Gusty winds will be our main threat with the storms that move through 40 to 50 miles per hour. We're not really expecting any large hail with this. Your tornado threat very, very low, but it's not zero. In order to get severe thunderstorms, well, we need that thunderstorm energy, and that's what's in the red here. So watch what happens as we head into the overnight hours. Yes, by the time that these storms are moving through, we will see a little bit of energy for them to work with across the Tennessee Valley, but the best chance or that energy will stay to our south. We do have a tornado watch for our northern counties that runs until 10 p.m. tonight. But I'm going to be real honest with you, our greatest threat is still going to be gusty winds. And you see the little kinks in this line that future radar has? That's where we would have to watch for some damaging winds and maybe a couple of isolated tornadoes as this line moves through. Now, if you've been following over the past couple of days, you're probably going to say, well, that outlook looks a little different, and it does, and it probably will continue to change a little bit over the next couple of days as we start to get more data in. Closer and closer that we get to this event. Cold front starting to push into North Alabama as we speak. That's why we have that line of showers moving through ahead of it. As it does so, it's going to be bringing in some cooler air as we move into the next couple of days. High pressure will settle in behind it, giving us nice weather to end the week on. Another little wave coming through as we head into the overnight hours into your Saturday morning. Again, some of this could be heavy at times right now, not looking like a severe weather event. Primarily snow the farther north you go. So we're talking from Muscle Shoals over to Athens, Meridianville, Hazel Green. You'll see primarily snow and quite a few inches of it. Now that in between from Haleyville, Coleman, Faultville, Decatur, Guntersville, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, even Huntsville, it will start as snow, but then we could be looking at that wintry mix, and that's where you see all your problems when you start talking about ice. I'm going to take you out in the parking lot here, and this is what we're seeing already now. Still puddles on the ground, so we don't have ice just yet. Into your Wednesday, it is sitting over the Tennessee Valley. That's what's going to bring our very warm temperatures, but the good news is the humidity, again, staying on the lower side. We're actually going to be in the Hartselle Parade that starts off at 7 p.m. with, of course, the Way 31 Storm Tracker powered by Lynn Layton Chevrolet. We're going to decorate it, I promise. We haven't made it that far yet. Right, now I've already got my happy coat on. I'm ready to go, and this is the 30th anniversary of the Daikin Festival. I remember growing up in Morgan County and coming to this every year with my friends, so this is definitely a special event. The best way to describe our weather over the next week is weather whiplash, because that's what we're going to get before it's over with. Storm chances both Friday, then again on Saturday. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then we're looking at some of the coldest temperatures we have seen so far this season on Monday. Here's a look outside right now, though, at our Way 31 SkyChem network powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction. No rain right now. A few more clouds than what we saw yesterday, and we'll continue to see the clouds streaming from the south, but that's about it. No rain in sight. It's not just your temperatures that are taking a tumble, though. It's the muggy meter. Comfortable category by Thursday, Friday, and we stay there for the weekend. But notice that the intensity forecast has went up. Now forecast to become a major category 4 hurricane before making landfall somewhere around Tallahassee, Florida, as we head into the evening hours tomorrow.
Way 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Amber Kulick with 31 Triple Doppler.
Is it cold enough for you today? Because it is definitely cold enough for me today. Snow flurries will continue as we head throughout the afternoon hours. No accumulation expected. This is not going to cause any travel problems. They'll be nice to look at as they're falling from the sky, though. If you thought this morning was cold, we'll just wait until tomorrow morning, because we'll be even colder as we head into the overnight hours tonight. But don't worry, by the end of the week, we'll be back into the 70s. So we got a lot going on weather-wise over the next couple of days. Here's a look at 31 Triple Doppler right now, and most of the snow flurries over towards Sand Mountain at this time, but we are seeing a few fall across the Huntsville metro as well. And again, no travel issues expected as these continue to fall over the next few hours. Here's that wider view. You don't have to go very far north to find snow on the ground, though. We do have snow on the ground in portions of Tennessee and, of course, all the way up towards the Great Lakes lakes as well with snow on the ground there. Now over the next couple of hours here at home, we'll keep those snow showers in the forecast, mainly over towards Sand Mountain, but for most of us, we could see a few snow flurries here or there. Heading into the overnight hours tonight, we will start to see our skies clear. Our winds will start to calm down as well, and that's a recipe for a very cold start in the morning. You will need those sunglasses on your Tuesday morning, but you will also need that heavier coat. Few clouds will move through as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We'll clear back out as we head into Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Few more clouds as we head through your Wednesday as well, but overall staying quiet for the next couple of days. Here's a look outside right now at our Way 31 Skycam network powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction. No snow flurries showing up on any of these cameras at the moment. As far as winds are concerned, as we head into the next few hours, they will stay on the gustier side, but they will start to back off a little bit heading into those evening and then again overnight tonight. Here's a wider view of the temperatures, and it is very chilly the farther north you go. We're at 32 here in Huntsville. That's your actual air temperature. It's 43 in Montgomery, even 49 degrees down in Pensacola at this hour. Now, thanks to the winds, it feels a whole lot colder than it actually is. Feels like 21 right now in Huntsville. Feels like 24 in Decatur at this hour. As far as actual temperatures, we're not going to warm all that much through the rest of the day. Upper 30s, low 40s will be your afternoon high. And overnight tonight, well, temperatures will fall back into the lower 20s. So widespread freeze will be possible in the morning. Our overnight lows will slowly warm as we head through the week. And so will our afternoon highs. By Wednesday, we're back into the middle 60s and back into the 70s as we head towards your weekend. Here's a look at your 10-day forecast. Now, Veterans Day tomorrow will be a chilly one with afternoon highs in those upper 40s. But like I said, the 70s will return as we head towards the weekend. By the start of next week, we'll see rain back in the forecast.